Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn S to Z. Kids class name. Blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, red color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets S to Z. Kids first we draw S. S for sun, S for sheep. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger, and use yellow color. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use green color. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use black color. Kids now draw W. W is for wolf, W is for watch, and use red color. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone, and use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and use blue color. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, and use yellow color. Kids today draw S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.